Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is good. Today I have one Ford Explorer 2013 model, and today I will show you what is the fuse box, fuel pump relay and fuse. Okay, you can see here now car not start. Okay, here is the engine room, and you can see here I already removed fuel pump relay. That's why this is the location for fuel pump. See, now I fix it. Okay, this one. And now start car. Okay, thank you. And this is for fuel pump. This is fuse, and this one for fuel pump relay. This one fuse. Okay, thank you.